Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we will be working on Exp22 PowerPoint Chapter 4 Cumulative Ecosystem. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your assessment without any confusion. If you need any help with Blackboard, Cengage, MyITLab assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam, or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C++, Java, and more programming languages, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, Framer, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today assessment and go through it step by step. Here is the title of assignment EXP22 PowerPoint Chapter 4 Cumulative Ecosystem. Here is a project description. Now you are working with another teacher to create a slideshow about the Earth's ecosystem for your science class. Your colleague has already created a presentation that you can use for the project. After looking at the presentation, you see some revisions that would help the presentation provide a more impactful presentation. Now we will move to the question number 1. Question number 1 is start PowerPoint, download and open the file exp22 PPT Chapter 4 Cumulative Ecosystem. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Basically in this question you will have to download this PPT file from MyITLab dashboard. I have already downloaded this file from MyITLab dashboard. Now we will move to the question number 2. Question number 2 is click or navigate to slide number 2. Turn on the guides position and insert the guides so that they are set up according to the rule of the thirds as follows. Vertical guides at 2.25 left and right of 0 on the horizontal ruler. Horizontal guides at 1.25 above and below 0 on the vertical ruler. In this question, you will go to the slide number 2, then turn on the guides position and insert the guides so that they set up according to the rule. These rules are as follows. First we will go to the slide number 2. Vertical guides 2.25 left and right of 0. View, then check the guides, this one. If you feel any trouble with your assignment, feel free to contact me on my WhatsApp and email. As we set these guides vertically and horizontally. and set these guides. Question number 2 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 3. Question number 3 is change the height of the stacked rock image to 6.8, set the horizontal position of the image 6.4 and the vertical position to 0.7 so the vertical center of the stacked rocks is lined up with the vertical guide at 2.25 right of 0% on the horizontal ruler, and the bottom of the image is positioned on the bottom of the slide. Turn off the guides. First we change the height of image and go to the picture format and height to 6.8 and the vertical position set the horizontal and vertical position. Vertical position is set to 0.7. Then view tab, then uncheck this guides. Question number 3 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 4. Question number 4 is select the plant and water images. On slide 3, click or press the bring forward arrow and select bring to front. First we select the image that are exist on the slide number 3, plant and water image. Select this one, select this one. Then go to the picture format, then click on bring to forward arrow and select bring to front and then bring to front. Question number 4 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is click or navigate to slide 7. Select the 6 text boxes. Click or press align and select align selected objects. Align top the next boxes. First we select these four text boxes and then click on shape format, align to top. This one. Question number 5 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is click or navigate to slide 10. Select the 3 pictures. Click or press align and select align to slide. Align middle and distribute horizontally the images across the slide. First you will go to the slide number 10 and select the 3 pictures. We will go to the slide number 10 and select these 3 pictures. Select these, press Control and then select the three pictures. Click or press Align and select Align to Slide. Align middle and distribute horizontally. Click on this. Align top or middle. And distribute horizontally the images across the slide. Distribute horizontally, this one. Question number 6 are completed. Now we will move to the question number 7. Question number 7 is select the three text boxes, click or press align and select align selected objects, align top the three text boxes. First we select the three text boxes, then click or press align and select align selected. First we select these three text boxes, then align top the three text boxes, then align to the top to the top line to the top. This one, as you can see that these three text boxes are in the sequence. Now we will move to the question number 8. Question number 8 is click or navigate to slide 6, convert the smart art graphic to shape, ungroup the shapes, delete the green and blue arrows. First we will go to this slide. In this you will have to delete these two arrows and other tasks are given in the question. So you select this and go to the format tab, then go to the text outline and shuffle. Then ungroup this. Delete these two arrows. We have now completed 8 questions of this assessment. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignments, quizzes, simulation exams, simulation training, hands-on exercises, midterm exam, final exam. I have handled courses for the students from Canada, USA, and many other countries. I have handled courses like MyLabIT, MyLab Finance, MyLab Accounting, and many more online courses. If you need any help with this task, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.